Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Teacher Fayyazuddin Ahmad bringing you a brief summary of today's grade 8 biology lesson. The page numbers 185 to 189 were covered, and the topic was the factors affecting rate of photosynthesis. The topics covered were the products of photosynthesis, the importance of photosynthesis, factors affecting the rate of photosynthesis, like light, carbon dioxide, and temperature in water. The equation of photosynthesis was revised with the students, and also the raw materials and the products of photosynthesis were again gone through in detail, and also the importance of the products of photosynthesis, that is the oxygen and glucose, how these products are being very important for the plants, and this was gone through, and also uh, the different products of photosynthesis were discussed, and how important is the process of photosynthesis for the living things. It was also discussed, and the factors which affect the photosynthesis process, like light and carbon dioxide, temperature, and water, were discussed in detail with the students, and the students had a very good understanding of all these things and could answer the questions upon quiz. That's it for today's class. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.